Hello, my name is Dan Farnan, and I am a civil engineer and principal in charge at Precision Drafting and Engineering. My firm started in 2013, and we currently have 4 offices located in New York, South Carolina, California, and Ohio. We employ numerous engineers, planners, surveyors, and construction managers, and we're able to provide all of these services under one roof, which is a value-added benefit to our clientele. We have a working relationship with Ohio University's Athens campus location, which allows us to have an office within 20 miles of Virginia City. The team that I have chosen for this project includes myself as the lead project manager, and I will be leading all of the quality controls and quality assurance checks for the project. Our civil site manager is James Cook. Our water resource engineer and local presence in the area is Will Marie Almodovar, and our transportation engineer for the project is Janice Perez. All of our main staff members will be supported by various technical staff support throughout the company. I will personally be working with our construction manager later on in the project at the point in which we enter a construction phase. Our staff's current availability is between 40 and 50%. Our technical staff who will be assigned to the project will have a minimum of 80% availability, and the construction manager will be 100% dedicated to the project from start to finish. The goal of the project is to connect 2 very busy road corridors, the first being Cut Bank Road and the second Hungry Horse Drive. The connection road will help relieve heavy traffic congestion that is experienced by Virginia City in these areas. The project will provide an opportunity for a public and private partnership with the current landowner where the connector road will be located. The benefit to the private landowner will be to increase road frontage on their land and increase the opportunity for development of the land. The benefit to the city will be to have the right-of-way at a discounted price or possibly even donated because of the incentives the landowner will have now with more road frontage to develop their land. Our vision for the project includes creating an 84-foot wide right-of-way between Cut Bank Road and Hungry Horse Drive. The road built within this right-of-way will be a 4-lane road, 2 travel lanes in each direction, approximately 1,500 foot in length. We will utilize a boulevard-type design with curbing, a landscaped median, and landscaped buffers to the sides of each road. Within this buffer zone, to the back of the curbs, will be street lighting, various landscaping, and stormwater management areas. To the back of the buffer zone will be a dedicated bike and pedestrian path or sidewalk. The road will connect to Cut Bank Road and Hungry Horse Drive at existing signalized intersections. And to the greatest extent practical, we will create as much road frontage for the landowner as possible, while not overextending the costs of the infrastructure to be built. To advance this vision, we will need to have a main right-of-way fee taking from the privately held land, but again, we believe that this fee taking will be at a discounted price or possibly even donated. In addition to the fee taking, there will be up to 4 permanent or temporary easements needed. There are many utilities crossing the property, and this will require accurate mapping and location, and may require some utilities to be relocated by the various companies owning the utility. For environmental and cultural resources, we find that the project will likely have a minimal impact on those resources, and permitting should be relatively easy. Our approach for the project will begin with a data gathering phase. Within this phase is our survey, geotechnical investigations, traffic data collection, and utility location tasks. The next phase is our conceptual design phase, where we will create 2 feasible alternatives for Virginia City and all other stakeholders to review. Virginia City and the stakeholders will select one preferred alternative, in which we will provide 30, 60, and 100% designs for. At the end of 100% design, we will submit those to the city for approval, and then issue construction documents and assist the city with the bidding tasks. During construction, our construction management and inspection team will help to assure that Virginia City's investment in their new asset is worth every penny spent. The main challenge that we see for this project has to do with the privately held land where the corridor will be built. The landowner will no doubt seek to increase the benefits for developing their land to the greatest extent that they can. Some of their proposals may not be acceptable to Virginia City, and should they be unhappy with the results of design, they may pull out of the partnership, effectively killing the project. In order to overcome this challenge, we propose bringing the landowner into the design process early on, so that their ideas and goals for the project can be accurately reflected in the design through the whole entire process. We at Precision Drafting and Engineering greatly appreciate this opportunity to submit our qualifications to Virginia City. We trust that you will find our experience and skills more than adequate to see your project to successful completion. We look forward to forming a new partnership with Virginia City to help improve your vital infrastructure in the most efficient and economical way possible. Thank you very much for your time.